Okay, so I just got my Orion smoker in the mail and I'm unboxing it right now. I'm just going to kind of show you what it's all about. I'm not really going to do a cook on it in this video, but I will post another video later. Here's the bottom, and there's a channel all the way around that holds the grease and water. And how you clean it is there's a valve here that you use. It's a ball valve, and that's how you clean it out. You just let it drain out. And the Firebox is pretty neat. It's kind of small, but it's got a nice vent there that you use open and close. That's how you light it too. It's got that handle. And on the inside, it's insulated with cement. And so I guess it's a more efficient burn. And it goes right down in the middle of that base right there. Now here's the second part. This is the main body right here. That's where your racks go. It's got a door where you can add more fuel, or you can open it up to get more airflow and increase the temperature. And you've got a bottom rack and a top rack. Both racks are the same size. You just have two levels of cooking there. And it comes with a bunch of hooks in case you want to hang your food. That's another great feature about this cooker. In the top, it's got the rail all around it, so that's where you hang your food. And last but not least, we've got the top, and there's your airflow adjustment vent right there. And there you have it, the Orion bullet smoker. If you found this informative, click the like button, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer it. Until then, this is Dave with The Bomb Smokes. Thanks for watching.